Is it blinking? All right, step one. Take the air box out. We're also gonna be taking this out. The car's still kind of hot though, so it's burning my hands. Who said that? Joe? Joe Mama? Catch. Got all scared. What'd he catch? Oh, you good? Oh.
That shit hurting.
You want to go to the back or what?
Here, just swing it this way. And bang, hit the car. Come on, Martine. No help. You're no help at all.
Go grab the front.
Oh.
Oh, dude, you really dropped that thing. Oh, I'm so
sorry. All right.
I wasn't ready for that.
I'm sorry, dude. I told you catch. What'd he catch? If you don't want to catch it,
I wasn't looking.
You don't want to catch it, I can't help you. Bang.
Bang.
Oh, check it out. That's kind of sick.
It smells like brand new Mopar. Stinks.
Other way, other way, other way.
No, it's not.
Damn, they got the AC lines.
Oh, I was gonna take off that battery. Son of a biscuit, dude.
Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to do that. How do you not have a 10?
I don't know, dude. Dude, I
Sorry,
can't even freaking...
Dude, are you gonna cry?
Yes. What are you taking off?
The bracket for the AC line.
Oh.
That way we can, you know, some wiggle room.
Are you gonna break it?
Possibly. All right, we took the air box out. We took that little bracket. That's optional. You don't need to do that. We got the battery. So now we're gonna take out this bad boy.
That wasn't bad.
Well, damn. Oh, okay, it's still locked. Hang on, wait before you do that.
Needs one more turn, I
think. Bitch, that's hot. What's so funny, dude? You'll see it rise in the bottle if it's gonna blow up. Here, are you a fucking bitch or what? Look it.
There you go. You need the tool.
Break the seal. You're working harder, not smarter. Yeah! No, trust me, dog.
Oh, man.
It's all about the speed. That's not gonna rip anything. It's all right. I do that fucking plenty of times, dude.
Why don't you?
I don't know what.
Take that off, since it's stuck right there.
Take it off?
Huh? Is it hot?
Probably.
No, it's not.
Feel the cat.
It's warm.
Bad girl. All right, so we're taking this off. This. What else? Taking the exhaust off.
These guys.
O2 sensors. The starter's up here. Taking the
steering
shaft off.
How the hell does this work?
I have a Sharpie for that. Do I have to
Where's
really?
the 3/8 thing for this?
What do you need? Oh, I don't have a 3/8 adapter. You're gonna have to use this. Use the gun. What do you mean? Oh. Come on, gun it, dude. There you go.
Martine, put it up on there and then twist it the way it's supposed to go and then use it.
Twist it the way.
Is it not?
Give me this.
I just
Here,
usually...
hold this.
The freaking rings on the...
Be a man, dude.
What the hell?
Fucking Mopar assholes.
Do you like it? Oh look, that one's not that bad to get.
Yeah, it's pretty warm, eh?
Oh, fuck, Tran. Yeah, it does got a lot of power. I told
Oh,
you,
damn.
I just tell you.
Oh, my coffee.
Martine, do you mind if I fuck your heat shield up?
Is it worth putting back on?
Yeah.
Oh, then no.
Don't fuck it up. Is that the washer?
Oh yeah, well I
Yes.
need about 350.
I need about 350.
That one's freaking on there.
That one's tight.
Dude, let me see that shit, dude.
Hang on, you got a breaker bar?
I have a 350. Yeah, just keep going on that shit. What's the battery life on that actually? Alright, we're good.
All right, Ben, come on, explain what you're doing here.
I'm taking off the heat shield to the starter. No, we might not be able to put this back on. So we're taking the steering linkage off. What you want to do is first, I need about 350.
I need about 350.
Secondly, take your Sharpie. Can you see what I'm doing, Martin?
Hope so.
You're marking it, okay? We should have, bitch. What's out of 10?
Are you going from up there, Ben?
Yeah.
The expensive ratchet doesn't fit.
The expensive ratchet doesn't fit, so we're gonna use these even more expensive. Oh, I squished my fingy. I need a strong man.
What do I have to do?
Oh, I know what to do. Why do you laugh at me, dude? I'm trying to help you. I've been nothing but respectful.
What kind of pills you got sitting over there?
Viagra and estrogen.
Sorry.
You get it?
Of course I got it.
I'm not bad.
Chauncey, what do you think I am?
Here, it looks like.
Bop, 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 bop. Get your hands away from me.
Can someone hold this right here for me?
So far,
Push it this way.
we got. It's there, Hayden. Come on. We got one long tube in. Take it, dude.
Take it away, Chauncey.
Got it.
He got it.
Okay.
What'd you
Start
get?
it up.
Oh,
Can I
yeah.
let it go?
Talking to
Yeah,
Can I let it go?
Oh, watch out, watch out. Ah. Use that one.
Oh my god.
What?
I flipped it to this side because I knew.
You're probably not putting it in.
Because I knew.
Oh my
Because I
gosh.
knew.
No.
Give me this. Put the.
Okay,
What's your problem,
Here,
Ben?
give me the fucking thing.
I had it.
Get your baby hands in here, Martin.
Get your gorilla hands out of here.
Wow, they're bear paws. Get it right.
You got little baby man.
Baby man hands.
Little man baby hands.
Harder than this.
Look at these weenie ass tires. What the fuck?
Here, put this in there. Big tall man.
Can't see. Where does this go?
This thing doesn't go in there.
Yes, it does, dude.
Very cheap.
What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Shut the fuck up, Martin. You're fucked up, Martin.
Martin's really.
He's
stress
pushing
level.
it, dude.
Stress level on Martin's high right now.
Dude, Martin, you're pushing it, dude. What's your
Dude,
baby
this
ass,
thing is
Martin?
big tucking.
Martin, get your mouse hands in here and fucking tighten this shit.
Ben, what do you want?
Yeah, I was wearing those.
What do you want?
So, okay, put that connector in.
Mr. Swole.
AKA V8 Alpha, AKA Ruben S550.
Yeah.
I think that's all I got.
Whoa!
Am I in the
Mr.
presence of a god right here?
Ben B.
Alright, dude, he's helping someone else.
Dude,
Tell him to fucking help me. I'm on the phone.
That's what I'm saying.
The customer's always right.
Alright, we'll just stay on the phone, alright?
dude, we don't have all day.
I called earlier and we had ordered one. They said the pickup.
They said,
Yeah,
said
they,
it was here?
yeah, they
Yeah.
said the pickup time would be at 5:30.
Okay, give me 1 second. Do you know what number?
6077.
8077.
6077.
6077. Wait, 6, right?
Yes, 6077.
Yeah, he said it is this one that they're giving us.
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Dude,
I
the
talked to
girl-
the lady.
Of course.
All right, y'all. So essentially, it's all patched up, right, Hayden? Explain to the peoples.
Last bolt is always the worst.
Exactly. Martine.
Hello there.
Yeah. So one more bolt. We have to get the dipstick to actually go with the header bolt. Ideally. I mean, essentially, we don't really have to, but it's recommended.
Unless you want it on Wangala?
Wangala?
Yeah.
Explain to the people.
I lift it up on my crotch. Wangala. All wobbly.
Nice.
Look at that stupid thing.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Take that off, dude. It goes over the knock sensor on the passenger side. It stinks to work around it, dude.
Alright, we pretty much got all of it tightened up. I think we need 2.5 more because he's tightening up one right now. That's nothing too crazy from here on out, hopefully. I mean, we've had trouble with this header.
Hour and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
it was pretty whack.
Besides that, dude, give me this. You see that? Hecho en Mexico.
Shut up, dude. Let me see.
Fucking man.
All right, here's what's going on. We got these down. They're the connecting pipes for the mid pipe. So the headers are on, the O2 sensors are on. Everything is on, per se.
We honestly might need to put these on the other pipes first, but we'll see. I think this will be okay.
It's chilling. It's chilling.
You don't know that. You might have to take off the exhaust to get this on.
It's chilling.
What do you think, dog?
It's kind of cool. You know?
Forgive me.
Okay, ready, Luke?
Come on, Luke, you got it. You're a big, strong guy.
Bitch don't fit.
It's tight.
That's what she said. Great Scott!
It's a little bit crimped. So let me pull it out.
It's gonna be hard.
I need to get at least one of these in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you fucking idiot.
Well, damn!
What should we do here?
Put both in.
Hit it with some sandpaper.
Good.
What? I don't know how I feel about that.
What the hell?
Oh.
We're gonna stogie this.
Right now?
Alright, we're
I was gonna
stogie-
say we were gonna hammer this
Oh,
thing first.
oh, yeah. Go ahead and do that hammer.
That way we don't mess this one up.
Good looks.
Do the what?
Go ahead, Ben.
Go.
Fucking start swinging.
Stogie.
Fuck yeah!
Oh, man, you're Luke, come and use your freaking man
Luke,
hand.
We need your bear strength. Your man bear pig strength.
Here. Swing on the other thing.
That's definitely
Yes.
moving.
On what thing?
I don't know, one of those two.
Ready?
Yeah.
There, you're good.
Fuck, I'm getting stronger as the night goes on.
This thing better fucking scream.
Explain to the channel.
Alright, it took us 12 hours to do this.
Finish.
This is CORSA Longtube headers, Catless mid pipe, CORSA Extreme catback. Smoke this stogie. Bang! Well, damn! I went to the... Oh, fuck! Yeah, let a man do it. Well, damn! That hoe is loud as fuck. We're all done with the install, baby! That thing's loud as shit. See if I can get some of this. Yeah, his car is so loud. It's nice though. What's going on here? Alright, dude, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so next time we post something gangster, you'll be able to get it.